In today's video, I'll be showing you how to answer and how to end calls using physical buttons on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the phone app on your device and ensure that Keypad has been selected. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and from the pop-up, select Settings. Under Settings, look for the option Answering and Ending Calls. And here, you should see two sections. Press volume up to answer calls and press side button to end calls. So enable both these options. And now, if you were to get a phone call on your device, you can use the volume up button to respond. And if you wish to end the phone call, you can just tap on the side button here and the phone call will be ended. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.